Abaqatjhi abanemithetho egandelela iinsebenzi ukuthi zijovele ingogwana ye-COVID-19 kufuze babe nendlela ezinye eziqakathekileko zokusebenzisana neensebenzi ezinye ezingafuni ukujova. Kodwa kubonakala ngathi abahoni ukusebenzisana. Kanti ingasuthi abantu abaningi abangafuni ukujovela ingogwana le bangazifumana bangasenayo imisebenzi. Mhlapha nje iCCMA ithethe isiqundo sokuthi yona ijamelana nomqatjhi oqothe isisebenzi esisodwa bewajamise esinye ngonobangela ukuthi babhale ukujovela ingogwana ye-COVID-19.
The way that things are moving from a legal perspective appears to be that mandatory vaccinations in the workplace will pass constitutional muster, and in circumstances where you don't have a valid objection, it is probable in the event that you can't be reasonably accommodated that your employment will be terminated.
Isebenzi esinye sithi sona sibhale ukujova ngamabanga aziwa ngiso wobujamo bempilo yaso, kanti esinye isisebenzi sijanyiselwe ukuthi sibhalelwe ukuletha imiphumela yaqobe veke etshengisa ukuthi asinayo i-COVID-19. Uprofessor Munye uhlathulula ukuthi ngokomthetho abaqatjhi bakatelelekile ukuthi baqinisekise ukuthi izisebenzi zonke zisebenze endaweni ephephileko.
It is ethical to be vaccinated, and that you as an employer have a duty to ensure that those around are also vaccinated. It's part and parcel of adhering to the regulations and the law around health and safety. We have a duty to health and safety to maintain health and safety of our employees.
Ikhosatu ithi ikholwa bona ukujova kuvikela izisebenzi ekubanjweni yi-COVID-19 kodwana abaqatjhi kufanele balinge ngamandla ukusebenzisana nezisebenzi zonke.
Our fear about going the dismissal route is that it's going to polarize the debate. It's going to exacerbate tensions between those who are supporting the vaccinations, those who are opposed to it for whatever reason. And that's going to actually distract society when we should actually be saying, this is why we should do it. This is how it's good for you. This is how to manage any side effects and to resolve people's fears and concerns.
Abanye abaqatjhi bathi bakatelela izisebenzi zawo bona zijovele ingogwana engimabhubhisane ngombana bafuna kungaphazamiseki imikhiqizo yabo nofana umsebenzi. Kanti abanye abaqatjhi bathi balandela imithetho yokuphepha kwezensebenzi evele emnyangweni wezempilo uqinisekisa ukuthi izisebenzi zonke ziphephile. Kusenjalo esinye isazi sithi ukukatelela izisebenzi ukuthi zijove ngagcina kuletha umraro omkhulu.